Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your PS5 Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you the quickest way to redeem a gift card on your PlayStation 5. So just on the home screen here, let's go on over to the PlayStation Store, go down with the D-pad, and then go up, and then go all the way to the right. And go to where it says more, go to the three little dots. Now we can see your wallet balance at the top. I have $10 currently on my account in terms of just real money in dollars. Then I can go on over to where it says redeem gift code right here. And then we can enter in the 12 character voucher code right here. And it says to use the 10 character discount code, add one or more items to your cart and enter in at checkout. So we can enter in our voucher code right here if we got a gift card, then go to redeem. And we should be able to see if it goes to our wallet right on top. So I got $10 in there. Now, if you're trying to get a discount code, you first have to add a game to your cart. And then you can go ahead and confirm the discount code. So just go to the three little dots, go to enter discount code right here, and then apply it. And then you can purchase it with the new price. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your PS5 Studios.